Hi there, so John Foster here. Yeah, I've got a delivery today. Um, this is going to be a future project, and delivery now from guess who? Aha! Yay! We have a WPL product, new product. Not done one of these. This is how the box came. So this is the outer box. Let's take a look and see how the internal one has survived. And as you can see, ordering direct from WPL from them, I've taken the advice of many YouTubers, and yes, look at this, guys. This is how it should be done. This is how WPL do it. Obviously, thank you for popping onto their official site and getting the order from their official site. Some WPL stickers here, look. And yeah, thank you for supporting. So we'll have a little read of that in a moment. But look at this, guys. This is how it comes packaged. Bubble wrap around the box, so the box is nicely intact. There's no holes in the box, look. You know, this is how it's done. Fantastic. Let's get this out of the box and have a look. So here you go, guys. Yeah, here you are. This is how it comes. So just taking it out of this box, and this is how it comes wrapped up, look. Yeah, they just make sure that it comes in mint condition to you. I mean, this is superb. This is what it's like. I've got some high expectations here. Look at this. They've set the bar. Let's get the bubble wrap off and see what it is. Okay, guys. So what I've actually gone and purchased is the WPL. I've actually gone for the C54. This is marked wrong. I've actually gone for the white. So yeah, you can see I've also gone for the KM version. So yeah, this is how it comes packed, guys. This is really, really good. Look, yeah, look at that. There you go. Look, all nicely packed, all nicely done. Look. So get a proper unboxing for you, but I just wanted to show you, you know, this. I've gone for the full metal version of this kit. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to building this one. It's a new build on me. So yeah, I've got myself the C54 KM to build, and I love the way that they present this. Look at this, guys. And the other package that we got for this lovely C54 that I'm going to be getting built next is the radio equipment. So this is the Res version 3, and have a look at this here. Yeah, wow, look at this, guys. This is wonderful. Look at the way nice logo. So this is the little transmitter that comes with it. Looks like yeah, fairly good actually, considering. Yeah, I've got them for the petrol version. So you get, with the Res 3, you get the Res 3 transmitter, you get the combined receiver, ESC and sound module. You get some of these capacitors that you need to put across any motors to suppress any noise that the motors make. Yeah, wow. You also get the wires and things that you need to I think I'll put those in the box here. So you actually get the sort of motor, you get the motor wires and such like. So you get quite a few bits. So you get the little sound module, the capacitors there, and the transmitter as well. And I also got a battery to go with it too, which is down in the battery vault. So what a great kit. I'm looking forward to building this one, something different from the Tamiyas, and looking forward to see how good the WPL really is. So stay tuned, coming soon onto my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves.